Good morning to one and all present here. National Science Day is celebrated in India on this day to mark the discovery of Raman effect by Indian physicist Sir Chandrasekhara Venkat Raman.
On this auspicious day, I request Principal Ma'am, Lavanya Sir, S. Kumar Sir, S.P. Singh Sir, and Mahendra Kalra Sir to start the day with the tradition of lighting the lamp. I also request Principal Ma'am to garland Sir C.V. Raman's picture.
Mudakaratamodagam sada vimukti-sadagam Kaladharavadam shakam vilasilokarakshakam Mudakaratamodagam sada vimukti-sadagam Kaladharavadam shakam vilasilokarakshakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinasidevaदैत्यकं Natashubhashunashakam Namamitam Vinayakam Anayakaikanayakam Vinasidevaदैत्यकं Natashubhashunashakam Namamitam Vinayakam Namamitam Vinayakam Namamitam Vinayakam.
Hey, what do you think of science?
Well, science is systematic knowledge of the physical or material world gained through observation and experimentation.
Now I request S. Kumar Sir to enlighten us with his words of wisdom. Please welcome S. Kumar Sir.
It gives me immense pleasure to stand before you to share something on National Science Day, which is celebrated every year, 28th February 2000, every year, February 28th. Respected Principal Madam, my dear colleagues, and my dear students, a very good morning to every one of you. Say louder. My oration is divided into three parts. Number one, about importance of Science Day. Number two, a brief about Inspire Award, NTSC exam and KVPY, and vote for students on National Science Day. Let me recall once again what is science. Anybody from class 6? What is science? What is science? It is there on the slide. Yes? So you would be able to read only. You are not able to recall what is science. It is a systematic knowledge of physical world gained through observation and experimentation. In an effort to popularize the benefits of scientific knowledge and practical appropriation, 28th February is celebrated as National Science Day. The day is observed to commemorate the novel discovery of Raman effect by the great Indian physicist Sir C. Raman on 28th February 1928. Now what is Raman effect? Every source of light, it emits light energy. Similarly, sun is also a source of light. It emits a light energy. This light energy is called photons. These photons, whenever it is incident on any atom or molecule, it gets scattered. These scattered radiations, most of the photons have same wavelength, same frequency. And a fraction of photons, they are scattered by excitation. As a result, the scattered photons frequency is slightly less than the incident photon. So this difference of frequency was discovered by Raman, and this effect is called Raman effect. Every year, Government of Science and Technology, they are announcing a different theme. All 4 programs and various activities are based on that theme only. Accordingly, this year also they selected a focal theme. The name of the theme is Genetically Modified Crops and Food Security. About this topic, Ms. Pratibha Chaudhary of class 11, she is going to present the PowerPoint presentation. Now about Inspire Award. In order to see and experience the joy of innovations, every year 2 lakh children in the age group 10 to 15 years, that is class 6 to 10 standard, are being identified for the Inspire Award. Each Inspire Award envisions an investment of rupees 5,000 per child. Every schools has to forward 2 students who are studying from class 6 to 10 to Department of Science and Technology through Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. For the next year, from our schools, the procedure for selection of the 2 students is as follows. We are going to get class-wise the possible projects from the science teachers. They will in turn, after getting approval from the principal madam, we are going to announce in the month of April. From the topics which is announced by the subject teachers, you can select any one of the project and you can make a models. After the summer vacations, that is the 4th week of June, we are going to arrange a science exhibition. Best 2 projects going to be selected from class 6 to 10. So those who are going to selected, their names will be forwarded for this Inspire Award to Kendriya Vidyalaya Sangathan. Then next, NTSC exam, National Talent Search Examination is a national level scholarship program in India to identify and recognize the students with extremely high intellect and academic talent. Close to 1,50,000 students appear in this scholarship exam every year. The scheme is opens to of Indian nationality. Who is eligible to appear for NTSE exams? Can you guess? Who are all eligible for NTSE exam? No one? From audience? All the students. Which class?
6 to 10. 6 to 10.
All Indian students studying class 10. Only class 10. Till last year it was class 8 alone. Now, last year onwards, that is 2012 onwards, those who are studying class 10 are eligible to appear NTSE exam. There are two stages it will be conducted. First stage will be conducted by concerned state government, and those who are qualified in the first stage, their name will be forwarded to second stage, which is conducted by NCERT. Now, the children, Indian students who are studying abroad, they can appear directly second stage. I repeat, Indian students who are studying in abroad, they can appear second stage directly conducted by NCERT. Next, KVPY, the Kishore Vigyanik Protsahan Yojana is an ongoing program initiated by Department of Science and Technology, Government of India, to encourage students of basic science, engineering and medicines to take up research and careers in these areas. The aim of the program is to identify and encourage talented students with aptitude for research. This program strives to assist the students to realize their potential and to ensure that the best scientific talent is tapped for research and development in the country. So who is eligible for this KVPY? The Indian students studying class 11 and 12. Class 11 and 12 science stream students eligible to appear for KVPY. Friends, even though you don't have wings to fly, can you fly? No. I will tell you how to fly through a poem. The poem goes like this. I am born with potential. I am born with goodness and trust. I am born with ideas and dreams. I am born with greatness. I am born with confidence. I am born with wings. So I am not meant for trailing. I have wings. I will fly. I will fly and fly. Now, vote for students community. Please repeat what I am saying. Can you follow? Say yes or no? Yes. Say loudly. Yes. I will have goal and work hard. Little louder. To achieve that goal, I realize that small aim is a crime. I will always work for clean planet Earth and clean energy. As a youth of my nation, I will work and work with courage to achieve success in all my tasks and enjoy the success of others. Thank you, friends.